The Cirrus tool is a word cloud with the most frequent terms in the corpus. If you hover over a word, then you can see the frequency in the corpus. And if you click on a word, then you can see the trends across the corpus. You can use the scale button to either see the entire corpus or a word cloud for a specific document. And you can use the slider for terms to adjust how many terms you want to see in the word cloud. Up here you have an export button where you can open the tool in a new tab, or you can export an HTML code or a reference, and you can export an image. Over here you have the tool button where you can switch to a different tool. And you have the option button where you can add stop words or whitelist words. You can also change the font or the color palette. And under the question mark, you get more information about the tool.